These simple oven-roasted chicken thighs, caramelized sweet potatoes, and fresh cucumber on the side is an awesome, flavor-packed meal that you'll have on repeat. I'm using chicken thighs, but you can use any cut you like. Place them in a mixing bowl. Add in 1 tablespoon of oil to help the seasoning stick, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for a bright and tender chicken, and mince in 2 to 3 garlic cloves for a rich savory flavor. Grab a few basil leaves and chop them into small pieces. This will add a lovely herby aroma and freshness to the chicken. To season, add in 1 tablespoon of my homemade citrus herb blend to bring in zesty, fragrant notes, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder for warmth and color, plus salt to taste and a touch of black pepper. Mix until all the thighs are fully coated. Cover and set aside to marinate while you prepare the sweet potatoes. Peel and wash the sweet potatoes. You can leave the skin on if you like, just scrub them thoroughly to clean. The skin adds extra fiber and a nice roasted texture. Cut into smaller pieces, any shapes you want. Cubes, wedges, or round all work fine. Place them on a baking tray, ready to season. Drizzle some cooking oil on the sweet potatoes and rub to coat evenly. This will help them roast beautifully and get those caramelized edges. Season with 1 teaspoon of paprika for warmth and color, a sprinkle of cinnamon powder for a subtle sweetness, and salt and pepper to taste. Rub until fully coated. Evenly spread the sweet potatoes on the tray. Grab the marinated chicken thighs and place them right on top of the sweet potatoes, ready for the oven. Roast in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes until the chicken is golden and crispy and the sweet potatoes are soft and fluffy on the inside. Once done, everything smells amazing. The sweet potatoes are caramelized and the thighs are tender and juicy. Let's serve. On a plate, add the roasted sweet potatoes and the chicken. To make this dish complete, I'm adding some fresh cucumber slices. They bring a cold crunch and balance the warm, savory flavors perfectly. This dish is hearty, colorful, and full of flavor, the perfect wholesome dinner bowl. For more quick, balanced dinner ideas, check out the recipes linked above. See you there.